If you're putting out a piece of content, one of the ways you can massively expand the reach with about 1 minute of work is simply this. Keyword search your idea, find the parent topic or parent phrase, and then rename it. That's it. That's how you can take an idea for a blog post, a calculator that you put out, a web app, a product, and massively expand the reach to a broader audience without really changing the idea at all. So I'm actually going to show you how I implemented this on a recent thing. I had an idea for making a financial escape velocity calculator for myself, and I'm going to put it out to people so they can use it on SwipeFile. Here's the problem. No one in history has typed in the words financial escape velocity calculator. So how do I make this calculator and adapt it for a broader term? So I've actually put this into Ahrefs, did some keyword research, and realized that a phrase like, when can I retire off of my money? Or retirement interest calculator has a reach of literally 1,000 times more than financial escape velocity calculator. And so if I make that product towards one of those larger topics, I could potentially bring in way more people, in this case, over 1,000 times more people potentially, by just a simple 1 minute of keyword research. And you could do this across all of your content, all of your ideas, and reach a much broader audience. Let me show you the actual details of how to do it. I'm building out a thing called the Financial Escape Velocity Calculator. Now, I don't know if people actually say this term, financial escape velocity. It basically says, like, if you have $10 million at a 3% interest rate, your annual income is this, your monthly income is that, and it changes based on what you put in here, right? Now, I don't know if people are actually searching this term. I've never heard anyone really say it. So I'm going to check it in Ahrefs. So do search Financial Velocity Calculator. Really not finding anything. And this is a bad thing. So I have to research some better terms. And basically I went to ChatGPT, looked up a couple things. I found passive income calculator. Okay, let's try that. So look at this. 43% keyword difficulty, but search volume 150. So meaning there's not a ton of people searching this, but it's really, really hard to rank. One cool thing I like about Ahrefs, it also gives me other things that people are searching for. So this is just not enough volume for me to really put something out. I need to go after a bigger term. Look at this, interest calculator, 154,000 searches a month, a little bit harder, but then compound interest calculator, interest rate calculator. So these are some of the more larger terms that I can go for. The other thing I could do is look up plain English words. So how much interest will I earn? So I don't have to find exactly what people are looking up. Google will kind of do that. But look at this. So this one also a little bit hard, but much larger search volume and much larger traffic volume than some of those others. So right away, I know I'm not going to call this the Financial Escape Velocity Calculator. It sounds like this actually wouldn't go many places. Instead, I would rather change this to how much interest will I earn and can I retire? So that would be the way that I would use keyword research to go about and make something. So before I'm going to actually put something out, if I want to increase the chances of it being successful on Google and returning SEO traffic every single year, then I would first use Ahrefs to figure out the angle to attack it before I put out the content.